Good day, Divergence traders. How we all doing today? The NASDAQ was a little crazy in the hood today. Yes, indeed. Let's get with it. Okay. Up here, yeah, there was a trade. There was a lot of chop shop in here, but it eventually. Oh, this thing's gonna mess with me. You little skank. Come on. Bye-bye. Jesus. Fuck. High and higher high. Here we go. Once you draw them lines, they don't want you to move them after you let them go. They want to screw with you. So, see, I can't see my little blue doodahs right here. See? Right here. I can't see them because the zero line's on here. Let's get rid of that. We don't need that. There. See? See the little blue doodahs now? You can definitely see that one. Okay. Let's take this down a notch so we draw that right to there. Excuse me. And we got to put on our little arrow, which would have been right there at exactly on the open of the 1540 candle, which is 20 minutes to 9. You would have sold it. And down it goes, down. 40-point stop. Well, I would have put it above R1. So 46-point stop, right? And down it goes. 77 points. All the way to the bottom as they whipped up and down, back down. Yeah, that was 130 points. That's 3-to-1 win-loss ratio to the bottom. It is. Now, there's two ways we can draw this, like that, or we can also draw it, come here, you littles, like this. Either way, it's divergent, okay? Told you to get in right in here. We're just doing a little retracement now along the way. Let's see what happens. Okay, so you would have got long right there. The stop was 40 points, and yeah, you got your 40 points. It went up to 60. It's got 1.5 win-loss ratio. Okay, that's the NASDAQ. Just to look at my pip snagger, see, all the way down, told you to sell somewhere in here, up here, all the way down, this red line, told you, don't buy it, don't buy it here, don't buy it here, don't buy it here, don't buy it in here, okay? Oh, she's really coming back down mean. What will they do now? Who knows? Let's look at the Dow. Oh, look at the Dow. Very interesting. Okay. I haven't looked at the Dow all day, so I have to look for a little bit and find the trade. There is a trade right here. But it got short in here. Stop with 62 pips. Points, whatever, went down 140. There's your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. And usually on a dip like that, there's, I guess there is. You just gotta know where to draw it. And right there. I think that was right here. Yeah, and right here. Let's see. That one lines up. Oh. It was this one. Still doesn't matter. It's divergent. Okay, it is divergent. All right, so would have gone in here. Stop would have been 60 points. Did you get your 60? Oh, you did. If you put the target there, you did. There you go, 2 winning trades. There was no trade on the 5 minute for this run up, but I bet you there was on the 1 minute. Let's go see. Okay. This is the 1 minute. This is the open right here, 1630. Do you see what I see? A setup, a setup, a setup for you and me. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. You know that Christmas song? Oh, yeah, I'm singing today. That's bad. Okay. I'm just showing you on the 1 minute there was a trade right here. And yeah, it went up very quickly, 120 points. Stop would have been 40 points or so. Went up even higher. 180 if you held on, even higher up here. Yeah, yeah. Now, if you're going to sell it right here, which I wouldn't because it's in such a bullish uptrend, there's a setup right here to sell it. But I wouldn't sell it. Because I know I've been burned too many times on those trends. When you have a trend, when you have price going one way, you don't buy it. Don't try and pick the bottom. When the price is going one way up, don't try and sell it. Don't try and pick the top. You're going to be wrong. See, if you try to sell it here, up it went. You were wrong. If you tried to sell it in here somewhere, you were wrong and it went up. See? See that trade I was talking about? It's right in here somewhere, I think. Let me put a freaking line there. I'll show you. Yeah, it was right here. Okay, to sell right there. Let's go look at the 5 minute now. See? Right here. Was the 5 minute telling you to sell it? No, 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 no. It was telling you, stay long from down here. Don't try and sell it. That's one thing you gotta always do. It's your best filter you could ever use. If you're trading a 1 minute, go to the 5 minute. Is the 5 minute bullish or bearish? That'll give you the answer what to do or what not to do. Okay. I hope we all grasp what I'm saying. Okay, let's look at S&P. Oh, look at that double bottom, eh? Woo-wee! And this was the news right up here. 1530, and it was a sell. Got a high and a higher high. We got too many lines here. Mode Z. I'm not going to play with them and try and put them where I want because it ain't going to work. Got to get a new fresh line like this right here. Right to this little blue doodah. See how it lines up, the little blue doodah? That alone is worth gold with this indicator. Well, it is for divergence. So, let me show you. I need a down arrow right there. Would have got short here. Went down 19 points, the S&P 500. Then we had another double bottom right there. Boom, shakalak. Okay? Boom. Remember I told you about these deep valleys and then oh yeah, talk Jason, talk English. These deep valleys and then the little stream over here. This is just a little tiny stream, a little creek. Okay? And what does it tell you? Buy! Buy now! And you'll make money. You will make money. Buy right there on the opening of this candle at exactly 5 minutes after 11. You would have bought it. Your stop would have been right here, 8.5 points. And right now, you'd be up 10 points. Yes, 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 yes. Love that action. Hey, look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. Look, look. It's just like, it's like a beautiful blonde, blue-eyed lady. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, let's go to oil now. What did oil do? Oh, she crashed in the last little bit. Now, there was a sell right here. Taking it from the UK session, okay? We got a high and a higher high. And we got a high and a lower high. And you would have went, oh my, and you would have sold it right there. Okay? Stop would have been 25 ticks. Went down 64 ticks into the US session. So in between sessions, you would have sold it, and then into the just before. No, that was the news right there. 1540. That didn't do much. It's oil. We're looking at oil, and you're trying to trade some, I don't know, GDP or A&P or blah blah blee. You know. Okay. So it looks like, there was divergence, a low and a lower low, right? But no, man. Or you can call it level. I call this level divergence because it's going straight across and it's level. But anyway, in reality, no, see? It's going down. Just like this is going down. So it's not divergent to buy. However, you could have traded a cross up, which is the 5 crossing up over the 7. And you would have got in right here, and your stop would be here. It would have went against you, and then it would have went up 115 tickers. Okay? Then, see, we have a high and a higher high, and then we have a high and a higher high. We needed a high and a lower high. Okay? However, look what we have here. This is like a double top. See that? And we take that from here, and it goes down to here. See, that lines up there, that lines up there. And we would have got short in here. Stop, I would have put it right above this $70.50 a barrel price level. 40 points, stop. And it went down 132. Then we had the gold. Look at the gold. We have a high and a higher high. See, it won't do that. You little mother. Anyway, trust me, it's divergent. Where you would have got in, because when this crossed down, it was this big, it was the news that just dumped gold right down there. So if you would have jumped in here, I don't know. But if you would have waited till down here to jump in, that would have been scary. 105 point drop in like 5 minutes. Okay. But then there was a low and lower lows right there. These are the kind of tricky ones to see. And right here, up we go. 190 points, man, to the top. This is gold. You would have got in right here. This is gold, ladies and gentlemen. Take a look now at the pound yen. Oh, God. Look at the pound yen. I'm not laughing. If anybody is trading it and got chopped up in it, I'm just disgusted with the pound. It used to be so good. Like, I'm talking 2006, 7, 8, 10, even 12. Back in the good old currency days. Look at this shit. Look at this. Look at this shit. Let's count. 1, it goes up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 times in the UK session. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So it changed direction 31 flipping times in this time span now, from 2:45 in the morning till now, till lunchtime. Crazy. Crazy. Let's take a look at the euro yen. Is it better or is it worse? Gave you one trade. That's a double top if I ever saw one. And that goes down like this. Boom. So where you would have got in, I don't freaking know. Somewhere in here. So you jumped in here, jumped in below the pivot, or just got in right when the candle closed. It went down 27 pips, and your stop was 26. Got your 1-to-1. And now for the last, that was the pound yen. That wasn't the pound. It was the pound yen that did this. No wonder. It's the pound yen. It's exotic. You know, it's kind of like, how do I explain this? It's kind of like, you see this little girl with red pigtails, and freckles. And you have one other girl pulling on the one pigtail or whatever you call it, it's pigtails. And another girl pulling on the other pigtail, and they're like having a tug of war with her pigtails. But no, you don't have to say that. We can say that you're holding on to a rope, and there's other people on the other side of the rope, and you're having a tug of war. That's what you call this shit. Because it's mixed with two pairs that they kind of want to go the opposite of each other, this is what happens sometimes. You should have seen, though, back in, like I said, from 2006, 2005 to I don't know, 2012, 2014, then it started a big trend, but both of them would go up at the same time, like the pound and the yen, and oh my God, it was like a rocket ship. I'm telling you, if they would do, like, the pound yen would go up or down 600 pips in one day, 1,400 pips in like a few hours. It was wild, man, wild. Now look what it does. It chops. Okay, let's look at the last thing, the pound. Oh yeah, very easy to see this setup. High and a higher high. Boom, right off the pivot. You can't get anything else, anything better than that. Divergence and selling off the pivot all at the same time. How can you not love that? How could you not go, okay, I think it's going down, right? There's the divergence. Let me put on my doodah. We got in there right there. You would have jumped in here, whatever, or here, or here. If you jumped in here, your stop would have been 40 pips. Well, look at that. It only went down 34 from there. So you didn't quite get your 1-to-1 unless you jumped in somewhere sooner. Okay. Oh, hold on. We got one more for the kipper. One more. One more for the Kipper. Okay. Would have bought it right here. Up it goes, 26 pips. 15 pip stop. You would have already hit your first target. Okay, that's it. That's all for today. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good luck and good trading.